We're gonna do a base pull with the stock control pack tune. Absolutely nothing done to it as far as tuning. He hasn't uploaded a base tune, nothing. This is just the tune that comes with the control pack. Nothing has been changed. It's got the stock airbox, stock intake manifold, everything. The only thing done to the car is long tube headers and full exhaust all the way back. Other than that, this is the stock control pack tune. So let's see what it does. $382,353. That's with the stock control pack. Nothing else done to it. All right, first pull with a base tune on it now. The first tune on it, and all right, here's the second pull with just the 18 air intake. That's it. All right, so this is a completely different car, but in order to wrap up the previous video you guys just watched on the white notch, that car, so at the end, the only thing aftermarket on it was obviously the headers for the swap, and it had a K&N air filter in the stock airbox. It ended up making 410 horsepower and about 400 foot-pounds of torque. Didn't go nothing crazy on the tune. I told him not to do anything like super crazy aggressive or anything like that. He's not going to race it. He probably will be, you know, beating on the car pretty bad, but he's not going to be like drag racing it, trying to push it to, you know. That's why we went with the Gen 1. Save a couple $1,000, and a Coyote's a Coyote. It's not going to be pushed to its limits, but it will be beat up quite a bit. So 410, you know, for a person that used to drive a stock 5.0, that's more than enough. It still feels good. It's got a good amount of torque. It feels good in a super light car. So again, that car only had a K&N air filter in it, and that was it. This car right here, I just bought it a couple months ago. I got it from a friend out in Bakersfield. I got it from his little brother. It had some wiring issues. I was able to figure that out. It's 100% stock, 1990. The only thing it had is stock down to the airbox, the fan, clutch fan, all that. It's got like a high flow X pipe and I think a cat back. It's got 373s. I did Cobra brakes in the front, and then in the back it's just got 5-lug drum axles or whatever. Super clean. I had my boy Rick from Supreme. It's dirty right now, but I had my boy Rick at Supreme Automotive. If you're in the Bay Area or in like the 209 area, Bay Area, he services all the area of Northern Cali, all the way up to Sacramento and stuff. He's actually really good and really fair with his pricing. Supreme Automotive Detailing. Hit him up and tell him Pcpalan sent you. I'll show you guys the interior on this thing. Super clean. I got some headers for it back there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car, honestly. I might I might hang on to it. I might just, I might sell it. Sorry. I might sell it. Might just hang on to it. Don't hit me up asking to buy it or anything, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. But for now, it's here. I've been daily driving it. It's got like a short shifter, brand new speakers and all that. But it's super clean. Pretty much. It's got some tasteful mods, things that everyone would enjoy. It's got 373s. Most people like that. It's got upper and lower control arms. Those are good for anything you decide to do with a Fox. It's got a 5-lug swap, lowering springs, and I got some brand new conies to go on it. Again, I'm probably not going to sell it, but in today's market, actually, let me ask you guys this. In today's market, what do you think this car would go for? It's not for sale right now. I probably won't sell it, but in today's market, what do you think it would go for? Give me your honest opinion. And actually, if you guys are from different states, let me know what state you're in and roughly what it would go for. It's been a California car its whole life. Its interior is 10 out of 10. Exterior is probably a 9.5 out of 10. It's got, like, you know, things like this. This is a little faded, you know, typical on the Fox bodies. Other than that, the body's super straight. It ain't never been fixed or repaired or nothing. It just was buffed out, original paint. So let me know what you guys think it's worth in your area. Let me know what state you're in and what you think it's worth. But what I wanted to do is I was going to add kind of like a series on the channel, which I need to spend more time with, I know, but I just don't have time right now. I have other more important things. But what I wanted to do is take a 100% stock Fox body, which this is a perfect candidate for that, and just add bolt-ons on it as we go. And I'll document everything. Maybe not installation, you know, bolt by bolt installations. I probably won't do that. Or if you guys want to see that, maybe I will. But what I wanted to do for myself is keep this car and add bolt-ons to it. You know, let's say put a popular bolt-ons like the Explorer intake manifold and a throttle body, and then see how it does. I do have access to a dyno. I need to talk to the guy I used to go to and see what he's got going on. I haven't talked to him in a few years. So anyway, we can do an Explorer intake manifold and like a throttle body, and then maybe a cold air intake. See how that works. Cold air intake. We can add an electric fan, you know, shorty headers, off-road X-pipe, pulleys. I know that's a good. Damn, this timing looks really advanced. Now that I didn't notice that. These battery or spark plug cables are pretty much trash. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe we can do that. I used to make power pipes that actually worked really well, so maybe I'll make a power pipe for it and let's see how it does. One thing I know really picks up a lot of power is the CNL mass air meters, or any mass air meter, even for the stock injectors. I know that makes a pretty good upgrade. So maybe we'll do that. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll just keep it as is. And right now I've been daily driving it. So again, just wanted to wrap up on the white notch that you guys just saw, and show you guys this one that I've just been, you know, driving it around. Just picked it up. Nothing crazy. All right. So again, let me know in the comments what you guys think about price, what state you're in, and then what you guys want to see with this car if you guys are interested in seeing that.